types
triangles.
of triangles. Hmm. Types of triangles based on sides. Okay, children. So this after this we learn about. Yes. Okay.
And we learned the definition of that.
Okay, children. So shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can
So let me take the other classification also. That is classification of triangles based on the angles. Okay, children. So good morning to all once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we will learn about. Okay. I hope all reached.
I'm almost.
Ma'am, I joined
Okay, children.
in another board.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. So second type classification is classification based on the angles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Classification or naming, sorry, naming of triangles based on the measure of angles. Naming of triangles based on the measure of angles. Okay.
Done.
Shall we start, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm writing the heading.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. Write the heading and keep the pen there and listen to me.
Not finished, ma'am.
Not finished the ma'am.
So this is very important, not like sides classification. This is you have to take care for this measurement of angles. Measure of angles. It is very important. Listen, children. Let me. You need this. Okay. Let me take one small topic before starting this. Listen, children. See, when you draw a triangle, it's very important. Don't write anything. Keep the pen there and listen to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you draw a triangle, the measure of the angles, that means when you add the three angles, that means there are three angles, right? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Right, children?
Yes.
When
Yes,
when you add the measure of these angles, it will be 180 degree always. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes,
when you add this,
Okay, ma'am.
if one is 60 and other is 70, so 130 together, and this will be 50. All together, the angle will be 180 degree always. Otherwise, it will not be a triangle. Clear, children? That is a property. It is known as angle sum property. Okay, children. So when you add the three angles of a triangle, the answer always will be 180 degree. 180 degree. Always the answer will be 180 degree. All the triangles. None of the triangle is 180 degree. None of the triangles are different from this. Okay, children. That is a very important property, and we are using this in naming the triangles. Clear? Clear,
yes,
children?
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And see, children, first one. Did you write the heading, children? Don't write anything now. Let me explain it. So what did we learn now? The sum of the angles of it
Sum of the
of a triangle is always
of a triangle.
always
80 degree. 180 degree.
180 degree. That is a very important property.
It is not 180 degree.
It will not be a triangle. Okay.
Triangle, yes.
Okay, children. That is a very important thing. You are studying it in higher classes also. It's a very important one. Now
Okay,
listen to me, children. Listen to me. Second, our classification is based on the angles. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
first one is acute angled triangle. Acute angled. See children, mute please. Mute Sri Shankar.
Ma'am, we can write it.
Mute I told Sri Shankar, listen to me. Okay children, don't write anything. Keep the pen there and listen to me. Acute angled triangle. Did you check the spelling children? It is not acute angle. It is acute angled. Angled. A-N-G-L-E-D. Acute angled triangle. Angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. It is not acute angle. Not one simple one. One single one. It is acute angled triangle. That means if all the three angles of a triangle are acute angles. If it is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 60 degree, or 50, 60, and 70. Did you see what is the speciality, children?
Yes, ma'am. All
All
less
the
than
angles are acute. Acute means
less than 90 degrees.
less than 90
Less
degree.
than
All
90
angles are less
degree.
than 90 degree. All
Yes.
angles. How many angles are there for a triangle?
Candle.
Three angles. Oh, if all these three angles, are less than 90 degree, will you please mute? Please mute.
Less than 90.
If all the three angles, if there are three angles and all these three angles are less than 90 degree, it is known as acute angle triangle. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are three angles and all these three angles are less than 90 degree, or it is acute. Three angles are acute. It is known as acute angle triangle. Clear, children? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the first one. I won't give you the notes now. You listen to me. So what do you mean by acute angled triangle?
Every
All the angles are.
less than 90
Three
degree.
angles are less than 90 degree.
Less than 90 degree.
It is known as acute angle triangle. See, children?
Less than 90 degree.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now listen here, children. When I made the measurement, I made it like this. 70, 50, and what will be the remaining one, children? Total, it will be 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you add 70 and 50, you will get 120. 60. So you have to, we have to arrange it like this. When we draw, we have to arrange it like this. Or when you add these three, you should get 180 degree. Otherwise, it will be wrong. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So this is acute angle, the triangle. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So later you will study more about drawing the angle, constructing an angle. But now it is not.
Someone is unmuted.
Sorry, please mute. Okay, now listen. So it is acute angle, the triangle. Okay, children, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next one is, second one is right angled.
Right.
Angled. You have to use this angled always, right, children? When you name this,
Yes, ma'am.
right angled. That means which triangle have right angle. That is right angle triangle. But here when you write the definition, there is an important thing that right angle triangle means only one angle will be right angle. Any one angle will be right angle. One angle. The other two will not be right angle. Why, children? When you add 90, already 90 means total 180 minus 90. There will be 90. No.
Yes,
Remaining will be 90.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it will not be two angles, because if you give 90 degree, other will not be 90 degree, because 90 plus 90 already 180 finished. No, so there will not be any corner like this.
Yes,
Clear? So it is very important that this definition you should tell. One angle is 90 degree. One angle is a right angle.
And
Who is this? Please mute. I am taking one important thing, children. Please mute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Let me explain and finish. Okay, children. After my explanation, I'll give time for doubt. Clear? Listen, children. If in a triangle, one angle is a right angle. That is a very important word. One angle is a right angle. It is a right angle triangle. Clear? Other angles will be acute angles. Other two angles are there, no? So it will be automatically acute angles. So no need of mentioning that. If one angle is right angle, automatically other angles will be acute angles. Clear, children? Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So one angle is right angle, automatically other two angles will be acute angles. So that when you add, you should get 180 degree. Clear?
Yeah.
So one angle is a special mention. One angle is right angle. It is known as right angle triangle. Clear, children? Now ask it out.
Yes.
Ma'am, if there are three right angles, then sometimes
Excuse
it
me,
become
ma'am.
a quadrilateral.
Three right angles, how it will quadrilateral?
Four.
Quadrilateral, how many
Four.
angles are there?
Ma'am, 4 right angles.
4 right triangles. Now we are studying about triangles, right?
Yes, ma'am. After
Triangles,
ma'am,
only one should be right angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Now, so what is the
Excuse me, ma'am.
speciality of right angle triangle, children?
Ma'am, the remaining two parts will be not there.
Triangle,
right angle triangle.
So one angle is a right angle. It is known as
right angles
triangle.
not the right angle.
Other two angles will be acute angles. Other two angles will be acute angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Acute angle.
Clear? Other two angles. So
Yes, ma'am.
there are three angles. One already, this one L shape. See, children? One triangle, one angle will be always L shape. Will be already L shape, 90 degree. Can you draw other triangles, other angles as 90 degree like this?
No, ma'am.
No,
Can
ma'am.
you? Can you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So when you have to make a triangle means you have to make it as a slanted line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What does
ma'am.
it mean? What type of angle is this?
That is acute angle.
Acute angles, right? Right?
Acute angle.
Yes,
Otherwise, you
ma'am.
cannot draw a triangle because when we draw one L shape, that means one already is 90 degree. So if you make it close, you have to close it like this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Then only it is
That means
Yes, ma'am.
it is
acute angle.
acute angles.
Acute angle.
Or one angle is 90 degree. You cannot draw this one. Is it this a triangle?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is a square or a rectangle, right? A part of a square or
Yes,
a
ma'am.
rectangle, right? So it is a very
Yes.
important that one angle should be right angle always. One angle. Okay.
always.
So what do you mean by right angle triangle? If
One angle will be right angle.
if one angle
One
in a
angle
triangle, if in a
In a
triangle,
triangle.
one angle is a right
One-
angle,
What?
it is known as
Other two are
other two
other
angles
two
don't
are-
mention.
No.
Sri Shankar. Other two angles does not have any importance here because when you tell right angle, automatically other two angles will be acute. So no need of mentioning that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if in a triangle, one angle is a right angle, it is known as right angle triangle. Clear? Enough.
Clear, ma'am.
No need of telling about the other two angles because that automatically will be acute angles. Ask. Mm.
Ma'am, so one angle is 90 degree and other is 30 degree and 60 degree.
I told you,
Can be a
Angelina,
right angle.
anything. Acute angles means you can give any measurements, right? That is less than 90 degree may any angle. Clear? Next one is, again, third classification is obtuse angled. Obtuse angled triangle. Children, what do you mean by this obtuse angled triangle?
Greater than 90 degree, less than
Angle is
90
obtuse.
One angle is here also. It is very important that you have to mention this, that one angle is obtuse. That means obtuse angle means like this, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
angle is already, suppose it is 100 degree. So how to close it? Just see how to close it. It is all small acute angles. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
close it. It is a closed shape. Triangle is a closed shape. Suppose you are drawing one angle as an obtuse. It is 120 degrees, suppose. So how will you close this? When you close, you just see this. All these other two are acutes. It's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
sharp. Small one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
very important that one angle is obtuse. One angle is obtuse. Other two angles automatically will be acute.
Acute.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Can be 1 degree also. Starting from 1 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So acute angle triangle, you can mention all the angles are acute. You can mention this. But here one angle is right angle. Here also one angle is obtuse. Clear?
Clear.
Ma'am, clear.
So it
Yes,
is
ma'am,
it
clear.
is a blender that you are telling all angles are right angles and all angles are obtuse angles. There will not be any triangle like that. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
So shall we write?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These children, 1 second. These, when you draw acute angles, acute angle triangle, this can be 60, 60 and 60. Isn't it? Same.
Yes, ma'am.
Can be. Or can be any other measurement. See children, so total there will be 180 degree. Can be like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this when all the angles are 60 degree, no, it will be of equilateral triangle. When you draw equilateral triangle, children, when you draw equilateral triangle means sides are equal, right? Equilateral triangle means
Yes,
sides are
ma'am.
equal. 8
Yes,
centimeter,
ma'am.
8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This triangle has the specialty that the angle also will be 60 degree.
Oh,
Sides will equal and angles will be 60 degree for an equilateral triangle. That is another specialty. Okay, children? Equilateral
Okay,
triangle you
ma'am.
learned, no? Equilateral triangle.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All sides are equal.
sides
Uh-huh. So equilateral triangle, it is automatically all angles also will be equal. Clear? So it
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
60
Yes,
degree.
ma'am.
It will be 60 degree. Okay, children. So these are the specialty you learn about. Learn this many. There are so many things to learn. Okay. So did you write the heading, children? Classification.
Yes, ma'am. Classification.
Naming of triangles based
Naming
on
of
the measure of angles.
angles.
First one is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle.
Ma'am, can you say what is the heading of this? It might have a power failure, that's why.
Naming of triangles based on the measure of angles. If each angle is less than 90 degree, if each angle is less than 90 degree, if each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called, if each angle, did you understand meaning?
Yes,
If then the triangle is called acute angled triangle. And like previously we have drawn, we have to draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch. In that you indicate the angles. That is, if it is 70 degree, this will be 60 degree and this will be 50 degree. So total 180, right?
yes.
So all angles are less than 90 degree.
Do we have to write always if we are adding all the angles?
Always you have to make sure. If you are giving your own measurement in your rough sketch, make sure that when you add, you should get 180 degree. Otherwise, it will not be proper. Make sure this always, right?
So we have to write that
Okay,
important
ma'am.
point. So we have to write that important point.
No need, Shraya. Let it be like this.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Finished.
Finished.
Finished, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Hello, children. Finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, shall we learn the next one? What is the next one? Right angle
Right
triangle,
angle
right?
triangle.
Triangle. Very good.
One.
Shall I rub, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Second one is right angled. Right angle is a very important triangle. We are learning lot of things based on this right angled triangle. Very important and very interesting also. Okay, children, right angled triangle, very important. We have a special theorem on this right angled triangle. Okay. If any one angle is a right angle. If any one angle is a right angle, any one angle is a right angle, then the triangle is called, a right angled triangle. Right angled. Always use that word. Okay, children, right angled. Triangle. So when you draw this, there should be an L-shape angle. When you see one angle, triangle, you should understand whether it is a right angle or not. Right angle triangle. How, children? How?
If L is there.
There is one L over there. Hmm.
Over the.
Okay. Understood. So if I
Yes,
give this sign, you will understand, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I need to write in there 90 because this sign itself is 90 degree. Otherwise, other angles we give this sign. 1 second, we give simply like this, right, children?
Yes.
But especially for right angles, we'll that square shape because it
ma'am.
is 90 degree. Clear? That is enough. No need of making the other angles. Enough. This is enough. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want to just make it, but no need of writing this because it will vary. It will vary.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will change. Just give a sign like this.
30.
60, 30, 45, 45, 40, 50 like that. It will vary.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. We can give anyone.
No need of writing anything there. Enough. Okay. Shall I rub now?
Okay,
No.
ma'am.
Yes.
I'll move.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Next.
I didn't finish. I didn't finish.
Okay, no worries.
Again, some noise are
Third
coming.
one is obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. If any one angle is greater than if any one angle is greater than 90 degree, then the triangle is called obtuse angled triangle.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, children, okay, when you draw, this is very important that you have to draw one obtuse angle there. Obtuse angle, and close the triangle like this by drawing one line. So it is obvious that it is an obtuse angle. Give it as 110 or 120. The other will be small acute angles. Clear? It will be small, very small acute angles. Because total is 180, so after 120 there will be 60 remaining. So when you make it, the sum should be 60. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. 30, 34, 30.
30, 30. It's not sure. It is not compulsory that it should be 30, 30. Okay?
40 and 20.
Yes,
Yes,
like that.
Lesser than 90.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you understood about this?
Yes,
Fully
ma'am.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so these are the three triangles. Triangles based on the measure of angles. Naming of triangles based on the measure of angles. Other one is length of side, and this is measure of angles. Okay. So, can you tell Angelina Joss, will you tell what is acute angled triangle?
Each angle is less than 90 degree, then it is acute angled triangle.
Very good, very good, very nice. Okay, next one. Let me ask one more person. Richard Melky, will you tell what is right angled triangle?
If any one angle of the triangle is 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angle triangle.
Okay, very good, very nice. Next, Anandesh, tell what is obtuse angled triangle.
Yes, ma'am. If
tell.
any one angle is greater than 90 degree, then the triangle is called obtuse angle triangle.
It's called, and you can add, okay, called an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, children. So these are the things. I'll show the slides now. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So these two are very important, children. Very important. Okay, learn this. Well, this chapter is like previous chapter. Previous chapter we learned about all basic things. How these are all those are basic things, and this chapter we are learning about the types of quadrilaterals, types of triangles, types of polygons you already learned, but this chapter also there is polygons, but last chapter I took it detailedly, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. You gave all the
Okay,
time.
one
Yes,
second. Okay, so this is the first one. Have you seen this? By
Yes, ma'am.
side we already learned.
Yes,
Okay, equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Now, children, you can see that second column it is classification of triangles based on
Measure.
by angle. By angle means
Yes.
seeing the angle.
Yes,
First one is acute triangle or acute angled triangle. Both are correct, but you use always acute angled triangle. Okay, children? Acute angled triangle. Can you see that? What is the definition?
All the triangles.
Three angles are less than 90 degrees.
Than 90 degrees.
Or acute, right? Or acute.
Okay, less than 90 degree. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next one you can see right angled triangle. Right triangle. We'll tell this as right triangle also. Right triangle. Right angled triangle or right triangle. Okay, right triangle. Both are correct. So, right angled triangle or right triangle. In this, one right angle, only one right angle is very important.
Only
One
one
right angle, that word is very important.
Right angle.
Next one is obtuse triangle or obtuse angled triangle.
Yes,
What is that?
Has one obtuse
One
angle.
angle is greater than 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Greater than 90 degree. Clear, children?
Yes.
Is it okay for you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move to the, let me see some. Can you see this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Equilateral. Can you see the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Equilateral. All sides are same length. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, isosceles. Two sides are same length. Instead of equal, we can use same, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Next one, scalene. All sides are different length. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Now, this one. All angles are acute. Acute angled.
Yes,
Or less
ma'am.
than
Now, next one. One obtuse angle. One obtuse angle. One obtuse angle. That one is very important. One obtuse angle. And this one right
only
angle.
one.
One right angle. Next. Let me see. Then we learned, we have seen, on the basis of, there are types of angles. On basis of length of sides, there are three types of triangles. What are they? Equilateral,
Isosceles,
scalene. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Basis of angles, there are three types of triangles. What are they? Acute angle, triangle, right angle, triangle.
Ma'am, so we have to write this page. You have to write this.
You want to write?
No.
Then write. No worries.
Ma'am, we have already wrote this, right?
We have already written.
So, why you need to write?
Okay, enough. No need of writing that. Okay, children, this one, children, look at here, look at here. This fourth figure, no?
Yes.
Fourth figure. By seeing the shape, can you identify what type of good, very good. Obtuse angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But it has another speciality. All sides are different. All sides are different also. All sides are different also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is obtuse as well as all sides are different. So it is obtuse angle based on triangles. It is obtuse, but based on sides, what it is? Clear, children? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes in the same figure, you can identify what type of it is. Two classification will come on the same figure itself.
Yes.
Understood? Two classification will come on the same figure. And children, this first one, this one, and this one we explained, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the second one, children?
That is
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
How did you understand, children? It is right angle. How did you understand?
Also, it is
It has one right angle,
yes.
and there is one square sign here.
It is only one.
You see?
One triangle.
One angle, that is enough. One angle is enough. That is his identity. One angle is L shape, means it is a right angle triangle. That is his identity. Okay. And this one.
two angles.
Angle. Why, children? Can you see that 110 over there?
Yes, ma'am. Also
So it is obtuse angle. Okay. Now let me see any other questions are there. 1 second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Is it time, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only
Only
one
one
minute.
One more minute.
Then
Some seconds
how
more.
can we do this, all this? Okay. Time, right?
Homework.
Yes, ma'am. It's time. Ma'am, you can give us
Ma'am, can you give it as homework?
No, they.
Yeah, you can
How can I explain this? I thought.
give it in the WhatsApp. You can give it in the WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am, we will do it as homework.
Will you do match the following and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. So no worries, you will do, right?
Yes,
I'll send. Very good, children, very good. I appreciate it.
Ma'am, can you send the page numbers to WhatsApp?
I will send the same picture in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, send some homework. I am bored of sitting in home.
Oh,
Send some homework. We are getting bored in sitting home.
okay, okay. I'll send the homeworks.
Excuse
Okay, okay. Yes. Shall we wind up, children?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send the homework. It is match the following. Okay, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Nice day,